Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. First, make sure the iPhone uses the Apple ID that holds iCloud backups and that iCloud Drive is enabled. Once done, open WhatsApp and go directly to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup. You're looking for the current backup status and the Auto Backup or Backup Now options. Tap into View Frequency. This is where you stop automatic uploads. Don't skip checking which account is active. Now you'll execute the central changes to stop backups. Tap Auto Backup and select Off or choose Manual so backups only happen when you explicitly tap Backup Now. If you prefer to block WhatsApp from iCloud entirely, go to iPhone Settings, your name, iCloud Manage Storage Backups or Apps, and disable WhatsApp in iCloud Drive. Make sure to confirm any prompts asking to stop backups. These confirmations finalize the change. Once done, double-check Chat Backup shows disabled. Finish by verifying the backup state and handling common problems. Check WhatsApp Chat Backup displays disabled or never and that automatic upload is off. If it still uploads, sign out of your Apple ID, restart the iPhone, sign back in, and repeat the disable steps. This often clears stuck settings. If storage still shows backups, open iCloud Storage and delete WhatsApp backup snapshots to free space and prevent automatic restores. If issues persist, update iOS and WhatsApp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.